In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how P0 replaces broad standing access to your Kubernetes clusters with least privilege and short-lived access through fine-grained controls. This environment is configured in AWS using AWS EKS and IAM users for identity. P0 also supports other authentication methods or IDPs a customer may have, such as Okta or Active Directory. I start off with zero standing access to the cluster by default. This means no entries in the AWS auth config map and no cluster roles bound to my user. Typing /p0 will invoke the P0 request modal in Slack. Simply select your resource, your cluster, and the specific role or permissions you will need. I'll request view access for the default namespace as I'm trying to troubleshoot our NGINX deployment. There are several different ways to seamlessly request and manage access within your existing workflows. For our demo, you will see our Slackbot, our web app, and the P0 CLI tool. Admins can review your request, modify the requested duration, and once approved, will have access to our nodes. Once access is provisioned, P0 enables you to set up your Kubernetes configuration. It then checks to make sure that access has been granted, and if not, it automates an access request on your behalf. Now that I have access, I can rerun my command to generate a list of Kubernetes pods. I've identified the pod that I need to shell into, so I'll make another request using P0 for more granular permissions. This time I need the exec role so I can temporarily connect into this Kubernetes pod. Administrators are able to preset policies for maximum requestable duration or reason requirements. Typically, the approver and the requester won't be the same person, but here I'll approve the request within our corporate collaboration tool to minimize wait times. After access is approved, you can use the provided command to set up your Kubernetes config and connect to the target instance. I can only execute commands to this specific pod within tightly scoped permissions I have been granted. My access will automatically expire after the allotted time, or it can be deprovisioned manually as needed. With P0 security, Kubernetes access is short-lived, least privileged, and fully auditable by design, enabling runtime access for developers and minimal governance overhead for security.